Good morning, dear students. We will revise today the next lesson, lesson 22, articles. So, can you tell me which are the articles? A, and the are called articles, isn't it? Okay. So, let's revise the lesson. Open the book. Articles. Look at the book. A and the are known as articles. A and are called indefinite articles as they do not point to any particular person or thing. So A and are called indefinite articles because they do not point to any particular person or thing. See the example: a doctor, a nurse, a rat, an apple, an eagle. So a and the are called articles, and a and are the indefinite articles because they do not point out to any particular person or thing. Just now we have seen the example, isn't it? A doctor, a nurse, a rat, an apple, and eagle. Remember, what we have to remember is that, remember that the use of a and depends on the vowels and consonant sound. So, use of a and depends on the vowel sound, vowel and consonant sound. Understood? Okay. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. So, we use a before words that begins with a consonant sound. See the example here: a boy, a cow, a pencil, a zebra. We use an before words that begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. So, we use an before words that begins with a vowel sound. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. See the example: an apple, an egg, an ink pot, an ox, an umbrella. A and are used before a singular countable noun. This also you have to remember that a and are used before a singular countable noun. Understood? Okay. So now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. First number: I purchased a book. Please write down: a book, a pen, and an ink pot. Second number: Aladdin had a wonderful lamp. A. Okay. Number 3: the gardener found a nest in the tree. Number 4: he runs a hotel. Number 5: an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Number 6: she always carries an umbrella with her. Number 7: he has a glass of milk and an egg for breakfast. Number 8: a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Number 9: for us, England is a foreign country. Number 10: there is an oasis in this desert. Have we done it? Alright. Now let's move to exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with a or an where necessary, put the sign cross where neither a nor and is required. So now we have to use a or and to fill the blanks, and we have to put cross mark where neither a or and is required. Understood? Okay. So first number, I like jam on a piece of bread. So I like, then cross mark, jam on a piece of cross mark, then bread. Okay, turn the page. Second number, an ox has 4 legs, but an eagle has 2. Number 3, put cross mark, vegetables are good for health. Again there is blank, so put there cross mark. Vegetables are good for health. Now next number 4, Henry is an American doctor. Number 5, Uncle Sam lives in a small hut in a jungle. Number 6, I met an old man an hour ago. Number 7, what a fantastic idea. What a fantastic idea. Number 8, we are in a hurry. Number 9, an hour was bestowed upon her. An honor was bestowed upon her. Next, number 10, an English man is working as a teacher in our college. So we have completed doing exercise 3. Now let's move on. That is exercise 3. A and an can be used instead of 1. Use a or an instead of 1. So a and an can be used instead of 1. So here we will use a or an instead of 1. Okay. First number, I have one brother and one sister. So instead of 1, you write a. I have a brother and a sister. Second number, my only relatives are one uncle and one aunt. Instead of 1, you write an uncle and an aunt. Number 3, mother bought one sari and I bought one pair of jeans. So instead of 1, you write a. Mother bought a sari and a aunt. I bought a pair of jeans. Next, number 4, give me one pizza. I am starving. Instead of 1, you write a. Give me a pizza. I am starving. Number 5, Pooja got one camera and one box of chocolates from Dubai. So instead of 1, write a. Pooja got a camera and a box of chocolates from Dubai. Done it? Okay. Now next. A is also used with words beginning with A, E, I, O, U, but which have a consonant sound. So A can be used with words beginning with A, E, I, O, U, but which have a consonant sound only. Okay. Here you can see the example. Read aloud. A uniform. A European. A unicorn. A useful object. Y-U, uniform. Then Y-U, European. European. Y-U, unicorn. Unicorn. Y-U, full. Useful. The sound of sounds for each of the words are clearly a YU alphabet Y sound. So in this word, we have heard that uniform, European, Unicode, useful. So the sound is YU, isn't it? Clearly a YU alphabet sound we can hear. So before these words we use A, not and. Understood? Okay. So let's do exercise 4. Put A or and in the blanks below. Keep in mind the sound of the alphabet. So we have to keep in mind the sound of the alphabets also. First number, I saw an elephant crossing park street on a holiday. Second number, a European is a lecturer at a university. Number 3, I have ordered for a uniform for Grace. Number 4, the Guptas always give me a useful gift for Diwali. Number 5, I have ordered for an omelette with cheese and mushroom. Next, number 6. And the H is silent here. Okay, so what is the sound? A. So an heir is one who inherits the throne or property. Next, number 7. An aunt and an uncle of mine live in Africa. Number 8. An emu and an eagle lived on a banyan tree. Alright. Now next, definite article the. Already we have learned about indefinite article a and an, isn't it? Now definite article the. So let's learn about that. The is called the definite article because it is used when we refer to a particular person, animal or thing. So the is called the definite article because it is used to point the particular person, animal or thing. Okay? See the example. This is the man who sells vegetables. This is the pen which I had bought yesterday. This is the boy who runs a toy shop. This is the dog which bit the stranger. So pointing out the particular person, animal or thing, isn't it? Okay? Now learn the differences. So we have to learn the differences. A boy, that means any boy, and the boy means a particular boy. A girl means any girl. The girl, that means a particular girl. A house means any house, and the house means a particular house. Understood? Okay. We use the when we speak of a person, creature or thing which has been spoken of already. So we use the when we speak of a person, creature or thing which has been already spoken. Read and understand the following. See the example. I cannot find the pen I was writing with. We are not talking of any pen, but the pen we were writing with. Next, we met an artist. The artist was M.F. Hussain. We are not talking of any artist here in this sentence, but the artist M.F. Hussain, pointing the particular person. isn't it? Okay. So, I think you are understanding. Now let's do exercise 5. Use a and the correctly. First number, I found an owl with a silver head. The owl could speak like us humans. Second number, I am looking for a flower. A flower must be green in color. Next, number 3, I met a lady in the market. The lady looked like my mother. Next, number 4, could I have some more of an ice cream you gave me yesterday? Next, number 5, where is the umbrella I bought for you yesterday? So we have completed doing exercise 5. So I think we will stop the class here. We will be continuing the same lesson in next class. Alright, read and come, learn more about the articles. See you in next class. Thank you.